question is, bakit ang dami restrictions? Kunyari, mga neon green, red, disallowed yan. There's 3 meters setback. You will send your architectural plans first to the village admin and then re-review nila yun. So, video I will discuss, question that a viewer asked, but ang daming restrictions sa Ayala Land in terms of constructing. So I'm here at one of my exclusive projects. So going back to the question, it's about the restrictions. Bakit may height restrictions? Dito 9 meters from the highest elevation. 9 meters yun ang height na pwede. So some have 3 levels, some have 4, mababa pa sa But the restrictions are quite strict. Restrictions sa height. Dun sa mga setbacks are from fronting the street, merong tas merong line of property, There's 3 meters setback. Kailangan dun lang mag-start yung structure, Sa side naman 2 meters. In Ayala Land Premier, most of them have 5 meters setback sa front, tapos sa side 3 meters. So as you go to the construction or pre-construction, you will send your architectural plans first to the village admin and then re-review nila yon. So sometimes it takes time. And then what else? Yung mga elements, meron mga disallowed. For example, yung mga columns ng mga old Greek, ganyan buildings, bawal yon. And some colors, kunyari mga neon green, red, mga disallowed yan. Those are the main restrictions. The question is, bakit ang dami restrictions? The main answer to that question, have you noticed that when you entered a certain village, parang sinasabi niya, wow, ang ganda naman dito, You just can't put your finger to it, kung bakit siya maganda. For example, village na marami ng bahay na hindi allowed yung mataas masyado, nakasagad sa frontage, sa front ng property. And the main thing with Ayala Land is they try to keep as much as possible, but I think they will strictly enforce this. Yung mga sidewalks, yan ang great mystery yan. Great mystery yan sa Metro Manila, di ba? Kaya may sidewalk clearing operations. Although this is a private subdivision, but you will notice in some or in many subdivisions, wala na yung sidewalks, hindi na malakaran. So dito, they will keep this so you can walk around. Although dito, they still walk in the streets. When they go jogging, they go walking, it's still in the streets dahil maluwag pa siya. Very comfortable pa. So so those are the reasons bakit may setbacks to make the village really look good as what the planners planned it to be. Kaya there's big conflicts during construction period. Daming discussion yan na why wouldn't want to allow this. Sa akin, sa garage ko, certain lang yung coverage of the garage. I'll show it one of these days. Canopy. Kaya my friends even joke na it's the canopy house. Parang putol siya. Anyway, well, I think it's for the formula of the developer. Ayala Land has been very good in this. Napoprotektahan yung beauty at the same time the property values. Merong ready buyers si Ayala Land sa Dasma, sa Forbes, sa Ayala Heights, sa Verdana Homes, and even especially here, I can actually attest to that. May ready buyers siya versus some other villages that some friends have properties na mga non-Ayala, medyo minsan mahirap. It's a challenge to sell. Thus, the price, more or less, palagi mas mababa ang non-Ayala sa Ayala. I'm doing a new video on that. Ayala Land properties versus the surrounding villages, yung price per square meter. I'm starting to do the research. So yun yung mga restrictions. You can just imagine, I was in a meeting yesterday with some neighbors here, yung board of director president before, hi to Nix. Some even go to the legal battles. Most of them are being settled amicably by the village architect and the homeowners. If the homeowners or the future homeowners will just appreciate, kaya I made this video na it's for your own good and for the betterment of the community na merong restrictions. Although there are some violations na we are trying to address also. Appreciation of the property, long-term property values, it's been a trademark of Ayala Land. And some developers may mga restrictions din. Kaya may mga construction bans, may forfeiture, may ganyan. So let me know, you have questions, put it down below. Tapos I'm sure there's a healthy discussion on that and experiences. Yun lang, Realtor Mike saying stay safe and stay faith. Thank you for the privilege of your time. God bless.